Businesses rely on top quality fleets to keep their products moving. That's why they trust Ryder ChoiceLease. Our flexible lease options, availability of vehicles, procurement power, and expert maintenance maximize uptime and lower transportation costs. Ryder ChoiceLease is the industry's only solution of its kind, where you choose the vehicle and built-in maintenance options, full service, preventive, or on demand, that meet your business needs. Whether you're looking for a gas, diesel, or alternative fuel vehicle, Ryder has one of the largest selections of new and used trucks in the industry, from all manufacturers and across all vehicle classes. With our industry-leading maintenance, you get a team of nearly 5,000 expert technicians at 800 locations across North America by your side to guarantee uptime, which gives you peace of mind. Ryder ChoiceLease Full Service comes with built-in comprehensive maintenance from bumper to bumper, including brakes and tires. Ryder ChoiceLease Preventive gives you regular preventive maintenance on your vehicles, which includes a 150-point DOT inspection. Ryder ChoiceLease On Demand gives you the ultimate flexibility with pay-as-you-go maintenance at Ryder facilities. Along with your choice of lease maintenance options, you also get to choose where your maintenance takes place. At one of our facilities, on-site where we manage a service facility at your location, or through mobile maintenance. When it comes to fleet management, we have you covered with RyderGyde, the only digital platform in the industry that lets you manage your vehicles anywhere, anytime. This includes scheduling maintenance, viewing vehicles history, submitting EDVIRs, viewing your Ryder fuel rate, finding Ryder locations, and requesting roadside assistance. Whether you need a short or long-term lease on a commercial vehicle, Ryder ChoiceLease has you covered. When you lease with Ryder, not only do you benefit from flexibility and choice, you also get access to a one-stop shop for simplicity that includes fleet protection, safety services, fuel, and preferred pricing on rentals. Discover how Ryder ChoiceLease can make you ever better today.